Hi guys, this is Sanjay. Today we will discuss the most important issue and the enemy of our India. And these are starvation, hunger and famines. Today, today food security is a big issue for India and whole world due to the due to entitlement failure. Every night, 1 out of 7 people go to bed hungry. It means that 1 out of 7 are hungry. They didn't get food properly. As the coronavirus pandemic has exacerbated the the hunger and poverty crisis in India, we are under the critical situations. As per the report of Global Hunger Index, India's position is at 101st out of 116th countries. It shows that we are under the dangerous situations because we we are not able to take food properly. We are under nutrition condition. Firstly we will discuss how global hunger index parameter should calculate. So firstly we have there are four parameters. These are undernourishment, means how much how much calorie of energy we will take from the foods. Second one is the wasting. Wasting means what? Weight of children as compared to their height. We are comparing. We are calculating under the age of 5. And the third one point is the stunting, height of children with as compared to their age. And the fourth one is the mortality rate, means how many children are dying every day as compared to last years. Uh, so child wasting has been highest positions as compared among the 116 countries. It shows that we are our child wasting is 17.3%, as is the highest position. Means it shows that it, according to report, India's position is very dangerous situation, because in 2010 the child wasting was 15.1%. In a decade it is increased by 2 to 3%. Now it is a 17.3%. So and we are at top among topest position in child stunting also, because nowadays 13.4% is the child stunting, but only and there is a decrease in only mortality rate. We are we are we are behind our neighboring country. It shows that we are lagging to our neighboring country. We are always compared with the Pakistan. Pakistan is at the 92nd position, Nepal at the 76th position, and Bangladesh also at 76%. If you want to compare with the China is at the 31st position. What does mean for India? What does mean for India? Because growing rates of food insecurity have pernicious effect on long term effect on the growth rate of children. This indicates that there is an acute undernutrition in children of India. So we have to improve. Why this is happening? Because we don't have the proper scheduling. We don't have, if the center provide the fund to the states, the other overall all states didn't provide full fund to the schemes. Only the 14 states gives 100% fund to the schemes. Midday scheme came, and nowadays the distribution of high starvations is the main issue because of the lack of food production or disruption in the food supply chain. This is two main issue according to the Amartya Sen. The Amartya Sen's theory. Amartya Sen's theory was poverty and famines. He conclude not only on the basis of the food productions insecurity. He also calculate the starvation according to their other parameter. For example, disruption in the food supply. Lack of schedule means why our India is at this position. So we have to focus on main point. Those where we are lagging according to the report of World Health Organizations. The number of poor people with the income of less than 2 rupees is nearly about the 75 million in or India. It shows that we can't uh, can't can't live right now because uh, income less than two is means very big issue also, and so we have to improve these situations. Otherwise, day by day we are under the dangerous situations. Our government saying that the production of grain is increases from 168 million ton to 269 million tons. Means it shows that everyone should get the proper food, but it is not practically happened. Because it because of improper scheduling and improper disruption in the food supply. So if you want to be at a better situation, everyone every citizen and government should focus or should gives a better planning to handle. Thank you.